Hey, what's up everybody? This is Tim with RimSpec. I basically made this video to share my journey with this 1973 Datsun 240Z project. Follow and subscribe if you like this and watch my journey. I'm picking up a new project for 240. This is one of the icons for Japanese muscle cars. And we are taking a road trip right now with me and Carrie. It's a road trip we're taking to Austin.
Good evening, folks. We are here in Texas at a Buc-ee's. And the reason we are here, 1, 2, 3, if I get this thing to turn around, is because of that thing. So we're putting some fuel. But Tim here just picked up this 1973 Datsun. I think that's how you say it. Datsun. The JDM thing. It's got the bumper. It also came with the lip too. And we got a transmission and the JDM lip. Of course it needs work. Let me show you, give you a quick walk around. It's still surprisingly in one piece. A few dents here and there, but that's normal. It's got the stock wheels for most of it, all the stock parts in it. There's quite a bit of rust spots, but nothing. Of course, this is going to be a restoration. Restomod car. The shock still surprisingly works. As you can see, we got some of the engine parts. We got a headlight, a carburetor, actually 2 carburetors. I don't know if it's the OEM one. It's got something in the interior still, which is good. Hopefully it's not too damaged. He is going to spray it. We're gonna, once we get it back to the shop, let's check underneath the car. It looks pretty rusty. But for the most part, all the exterior is there. Interior stuff still holding on to dear life. Datsun. We got no dash, so there's a heater core still there. A blower motor. The seats are fucked up, but at least the seats are here. They can be remade. The center console, as we see here.
We're going to do a LS1 swap, change up the suspension, and maybe add a Rocket Bunny Phantom kit on it for a wide body stance with some HRE wheels. Carrie is looking through to see if there's any more rust underneath the car.
That fucking back panel.
So I guess there is, but it's okay. I have a shop.